Did you know that in some parts of the world, people regularly live past 100? They don't go to the gym and they don't take expensive supplements. Their secret is hidden in simple foods found right in their kitchens. Science shows that these foods can actually keep your DNA young. Today, we're revealing the top 5 superfoods that can add years to your life. Number 4 will definitely surprise you. Number 1 on our list is blueberries. Small in size, but massive in benefits. Known as the king of antioxidants, science suggests that berries protect your brain cells from aging and sharpen your memory. Just 1 cup a day can also help manage your blood pressure. Plus, they taste amazing. At number 2, we have walnuts. Have you ever noticed how a walnut looks just like a human brain? That's no coincidence. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts keep your arteries clear and boost your cognitive health. But remember, moderation is key. Experts recommend just 7 to 8 walnuts a day to get the full longevity benefits. Next up are leafy greens, especially spinach. These are cellular powerhouses. They contain compounds that act as a shield against the toxins that can cause serious diseases. Not only that, but the vitamin A and C in spinach keep your skin glowing and your eyes sharp as you age. It's like fuel for your cells. Number 4 is olive oil, often called liquid gold. In places like Ikaria, Greece, where 1 in 3 people lives into their 90s, olive oil is a daily staple. Research shows it contains oleocanthal, which reduces inflammation and can lower heart disease risk by 30%. Always choose extra virgin for the best results. Finally, we have the golden spice, turmeric. It's a miracle for reducing joint pain and internal inflammation. But here's a pro tip. To unlock its full power, always take it with a pinch of black pepper. The pepper increases turmeric's absorption by a staggering 2000%. So, which of these 5 superfoods are you already eating? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on living a longer, healthier life. Remember, health is wealth. See you in the next video.